how to actually get views on your YouTube channel and get noticed. Firstly, why even listen to me? Look at my channel. I have over 50,000 subscribers. I have videos with hundreds and thousands of views. I get tens of thousands of views every single day. My most viewed one is on track to get 1 million views. These are just some examples of my channel. And this is in the Islamic niche, which is already a saturated niche. So let's get to it. How do you actually get your YouTube channel noticed? Now, everyone says make good thumbnails, okay? Keep the retention, things like this. But the real secret, better, something beyond everything else, beyond the thumbnail, beyond this, beyond the retention. No. You need to stand out in the idea. The idea is what's going to capture all of the views. If you don't have a good idea, no one is ever going to click, no matter how good the editing is, no matter how amazing the thumbnail is. You need to have a good idea. Otherwise, the video is not even worth watching. If your ideas are garbage, no one will watch. I'll give you an example. So an example would be the most fun Minecraft video ever. No one cares. Why would they watch? Like, what is unique about that idea? Nothing. Whereas if it's playing Minecraft, but I obey the laws of Islam, goes up. So I know the first one's from 11 years ago, but don't worry about it. If you were to upload one like that today, it's the exact same thing. If you were just to do Xbox, even if it was recorded from your screen, your OBS on your computer, Minecraft, let's play, playthrough number 1. No one cares. It's not 2009 anymore. You're not going to get views. Look at this, beating Minecraft, but I can't break the laws of Islam. That was almost a new channel. The channel has like less than 10 videos or something, and none of them have this many views. 3 million views in 3 weeks, completely blown up. Why? What separates these two things here? It is solely the idea. One has a crazy idea, and one has no idea. These are the two things. Obviously, you have to have good editing and it's a good thumbnail, things like that. But again, you want to think that the idea is the foundation. It is the core of everything. The way is the market's not saturated, but your ideas might be. If you need help at all, there's a school program in the description below that I've started. I can help you on your YouTube journey. We can help you get to 1,000 subscribers. I can hold your hand the way there. Now, there's unlimited viewers waiting for you. You just need something new, something worth it. So one other thing is people say, oh, but look, my market's too saturated. I can't get views because there's so many people doing what I'm doing. No, this is dumb thinking. Remove this thinking. Do me a favor. Take it out from your brain. Put it into the bin. You can get big on any market, no matter how saturated it is. Think of YouTube kind of like an ocean that's infinite. And to get views, you just have to put your own boat in there. Now, there may be so many other boats, but that doesn't mean you can make a boat and put it in there. And a good boat is one that is a good idea, okay? If you have a garbage idea, it's going to be a garbage boat. It's going to be a paper boat, and you're going to sink straight away. You're going to, drown. That is a bad idea. But the ocean is never ending. You can put a boat everywhere that you want. Anywhere, right? So you can compete even in a saturated market. YouTube basically has infinite views that are waiting to be taken. So I'll give you an example. Dream. This is an example of someone who was in a niche that was super saturated. So Minecraft was already huge. Minecraft has been out for what, 15 years? I don't know how long, 15 years, 20 years, whatever. Ginormous game, right? Millions of, probably billions, trillions of views. So many creators in there, thousands, hundreds of thousands. But Dream came in and completely blew up, even though Minecraft was already huge. Why? He did new things that were never done before. Story arcs, challenges, speed runs. And what happened? Hundreds of millions of views. So it says 5 years ago now. What year are we in? 2025? So in 2020. Do you think Minecraft wasn't huge in 2020? Minecraft has been huge since 2010. Minecraft had already been out for 10 years. When he started making these videos. But look how unique it is. Minecraft speedrunner versus 3 hunters, 4 hunters, whatever. This had never, ever been done before. So he came with such a unique and genius idea that he took the whole world by storm. So this goes to show it doesn't matter how many people, how many creators are in your niche, you can still come in and take all the views you want. So stop thinking of competition as people. You need to think of competition of ideas. The views are infinite. It's the great ideas that are rare. You're never going to run out of views. YouTube will give you views no matter what you do. I'll give you another example. There's a guy called Hallow, right? Hallow, he already had a channel. His name was Ken or something. I'll show you right after this a clip of it. But he really liked Clash Royale, and he noticed that there's a gap no one filled. He said that, look, I like Clash Royale, and these types of videos no one is making. Clash Royale had, again, same thing. This is only 2 years ago. It already had millions of players and millions of views on YouTube, billions of views. But he just knew, on a brand new channel. So this is purely skill, just to show that it's not luck at all. He just said, I know no one's making these types of videos. I know how to market these videos. Boom, viral, done. Millions of views, millions of views. The channel has 160k subs. Okay, so that's not luck at all. That's him knowing what are types of ideas. 15 Clash Royale things rejected. Level 16 versus level 1 in Clash Royale. These ideas he knew no one was doing, and he knew they were going to be viral ideas. So you need to think of very good ideas in your niche.
The reason I knew it was going to be successful is because I knew that this content wasn't being made in my genre, in my niche. Clash of Clans and Clash Royale just did not have this type of content. It exists on YouTube. This doesn't make me a YouTube genius. It's just simple. I know how to market videos, and I know which genre is not having this type of content. It's just it's like a gap in the market.